I am going to create a FlashThemes account, even though I was told not to. Ha 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 ha. Okay, my username is going to be the Noises Nice 2025. Now to put in my email. Now to choose my password. Now to confirm my email. And presto, my FlashThemes account is now created. Now to unlock all the badges, Flash tokens, and become Creator of the Month.
Hey, the noise, what are you doing in here? I heard you talking about something. Wait a minute. I didn't hear you talking about creating a FlashThemes account, did you? Because you were clearly told not to.
No, I didn't.
Shut up. Let me get on your computer and see what you've been up to in here.
Oh no.
Oh my God. The noise. You really did create a FlashThemes account when you were specifically told not to. That's it. PizzaFace and Pizza Head. Come in here right now.
Wait, no, don't tell PizzaFace and Pizza Head about this, please.
What is it, Peppino? And why do you look so angry?
It's the noise. I'm just caught him making a FlashThemes account, even when he was specifically told not to.
Oh my God. The noise. What the heck is wrong with you? We all specifically told you not to make a FlashThemes account because you are a troublemaker and we don't trust you there.
We will be closing your FlashThemes account effective immediately, and you will be grounded for 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, 8, 9, 5, 4, 2, 3, 5, 9, 3, 4, 8, 5, 9, 3, 7, 4, 5, 2, 3 years. Now go back to sleep right now.
What?